Most dogs need to learn to use a Kong toy. Follow these steps to ensure your dog knows how to enjoy all the benefits of this versatile toy. It's important to use the right size Kong so that your dog can have the safest, most enjoyable experience. Engage your dog with their new Kong, show it off, and talk about it with enthusiasm. Maybe even play a little hard to get to pique their interest and show them what their new toy can do. Many dogs are motivated by food, and Kong toys are perfect for stuffing with treats or kibble to keep dogs busy. The key is to stuff loosely so that the food will come out easily. To entice your dog, try using a little bit of peanut butter or their favorite treat in the Kong. Over time, your dog will learn how to get treats out of the Kong quickly. To increase the challenge, mix wet and dry ingredients, stuff the Kong, and freeze it. A frozen Kong heightens the experience by creating a long-lasting, mentally stimulating task.
Now you know why dogs need to play. The Kong Company understands the important role safe toys play in raising a happy and well-adjusted dog. And that's why Kong is recommended as an important behavioral tool by canine professionals worldwide.
Tired of shedding? Furminator de-shedding tools reduce shedding up to 90% by safely removing loose undercoat without cutting. No matter your dog's body size or hair length, Furminator offers the right de-shedding tool and shampoo for a fast and efficient at-home de-shedding treatment. The new long hair version has longer teeth to reach further into the coat, while the short hair de-shedding edge works great on coats shorter than 2 inches. Furminator's patented products are used and recommended by many pet professionals and veterinarians.
You'll have one less thing to worry about the next time you take your dog for a walk with the Amazon Basics Pet Waste Bags. Thicker than standard bags, these high-quality, leak-proof bags ensure safe, sanitary handling every time. And at 9 inches by 13 inches, these bags fit most standard dispensers while still leaving you enough room to tie a secure knot. The Amazon Basics waste bags come with their own dispenser and carabiner-type leash clip for hands-free carrying, and since it attaches to your leash, you don't have to remember to bring them. The bags detach easily and are printed with an arrow for quick access to the opening. Each roll is conveniently packed with 15 bags, so you'll never be unprepared.
Choosing the right-sized kennel for your pet is crucial in making crate training a positive experience. The best way to select the perfect kennel size for your pup is to measure him from the top of his head to the floor, and then from the tip of his nose to the base of his tail. The kennel that you choose should be 3 to 4 inches taller than your pet and 3 to 4 inches longer than your pet as well. This will help ensure that there's ample space for your dog to fully stand up, easily turn around, and comfortably lie all the way down. Remember, if your kennel is too small, your pet will be uncomfortable. And if it's too large, your pet might attempt to use the bathroom in his space.